Hi, how are you? This is Andrew Lau, Lowsutea President. Well, first of all, today I'm going to show you how to insert the Abbott Libre blood tracking sensor. This is the product, and that's how it looks like. Basically, it gives you 14 days of painless measuring your blood sugar. It's very simple, it's very useful. Plus, they give you a whole tracking of the entire 14 days average daily blood sugar, 24 hours a day. Understand what is your average daily blood sugar. You can provide that information to the doctors. And this is my way of doing it because I've been using Abbott for some time, and it's been very useful and showing the doctor somewhat a very extensive understand what you eat, did the blood sugar goes up, or what you did not eat, and the blood sugar stay what level, and nighttime what level, in the morning what level. So this is extremely a very good tools to help you to track your blood sugar and understand the entire 14 days blood sugar profile. So to open this, you open a box, and that's all you do, just pull, and then you can open. And inside you can see Abbott Libre has few items. One, this is the inserting product, and two, this is the hook up the adapter. So you have to have this, all these two together. So then I will show you how this put together, and then you have to do the prep yourself. So what I do is I will open this first. And this is the magazine, so to speak. You see this little thing here. And then I will also open the applier. Now inside the applier I have this little thing, but once you push in, there is a needle inside there into here. So when you insert this, this has a little black mark. You see a black mark here? And there's a black marker here. This has to match. You can see this is match. You see this thing? Match, match. And then you have to press it down. Okay, I'll press it down now, and you will go click like that. Okay, then when you move it back up, you can see there's a needle in there. You can see the needle. Okay, there's a small tiny needle in there. Now the thing is, you have to ask yourself where you would like to insert your Abbott Libre, and then you have to disinfect your Abbott Libre's inserting area. So use a alcohol swab, and this alcohol, the best place is all around this area. So I'm going to do disinfection this area, make sure that there's well disinfected by alcohol swab. And this alcohol swab is given actually to to you, and then you can see that right here. Okay, good. Now actually that's what I'm doing. I wipe. Now after you wipe, you let it dry it out a bit, because if you have too much alcohol in there, you know what's gonna happen? The tape is not gonna stick. So you gotta make sure this is a little dry, a little bit, and then from there you will. So now the next step is you can bring this up, this gadget in here, and you go onto this targeted area that you want to insert. Now don't insert all the way up there, because you can, but the thing is, because when you hit it on the doorway, you may start losing that sensor. So this is my target area. This is the area that actually I had done my disinfectant. So all I do is just go push in like this, click. Okay, you see? And now I'm in there. So when you remove this, you have to slowly move it up. And guess what? I just put my sensor here. Very nice. So I just push it in a little bit better, and now it's all done. Now when you do that, afterwards you measure the sensor by your reader, and this is the reader. And the reader is very interesting. It's only will give you 60 minutes after you insert, they will read. So when I do this, So the reader will stay here, and when I do this, and it will tell me 60 minutes. You see that? So after 60 minutes, it will start reading again. That's simple. Now the whole procedure is less than 5-6 minutes to get done, and it's very safe, and you can actually measure your blood sugar in 24 hours. It's painless and is give you tremendous good data on average daily blood sugar. Plus it tell you if you eat a donut, guess what, the blood sugar will go up, and you don't eat donut, blood sugar stay the same. And then they give you the evening, morning, afternoon, after lunch, what you ate. You can tell you everything, so you can actually start changing your lifestyle to change the food that is not raise your blood sugar. Excellent tools to help you continue to measure your blood sugar and keep you healthy. This is Andrew Lau. I hope you have a very healthy, non-increased blood sugar day. Thank you.